Hello, my name is Nirika and I'm a qualified teacher with a strong passion for languages and education. I hold a bachelor's degree in education with specializations in Afrikaans, English, and psychology. I've had the privilege of working with learners across different age groups and learning backgrounds, both in South Africa and abroad. I also hold a TEFL certificate, which enables me to teach English as a foreign language. I have several years of teaching experience, including in-person classroom teaching and language support for both native and second language learners. During my time in the United States, I also worked as a private tutor for homeschool students, helping them improve their reading, writing, and grammar skills. Back in South Africa, I've taught learners preparing for both the NSC and IEB examinations. My teaching style is interactive, supportive, and learner-oriented. I believe in creating a relaxed and encouraging environment where students feel safe to express themselves and confident to make progress. I love incorporating visual aids, real-world examples, and creative exercises to keep my lessons both engaging and effective. Whether I'm teaching children, teenagers, or adults, my goal is always to adapt to their unique learning needs and help them build not just their language skills, but also their confidence. My naam is Nerika en ek is 'n Afrikaans onderwyser. Ek het heelwat jare ondervinding om Afrikaans te leer vir huistaalsprekers as ook tweede taalsprekers en ek sien werklik uit daarna om jou as my leerling te hê. Kontak my gerus en ek help jou om jou taal na nuwe hoogtes te neem. Dankie.